Kedarnath temple was covered in snow for over 400 years. As Kedarnath welcomes pilgrims, online registration can be done on Uttarakhand Tourism's official website. It reveals a rich history and deep religious importance. The temple lay buried in snow for centuries, but rose again, a symbol of determination and faith. Here are some interesting facts. When the Kedarnath temple is shut for 6 months in the winter, the idol is carried into Omkareshwar temple in Ukhimat and worshipped there for 6 months. It's one of the 4 Char Dham pilgrimage sites along with Gangotri, Yamunotri and Badrinath. Kedarnath's origin in Hindu mythology involves the Pandavas seeking Lord Shiva's forgiveness after the Mahabharata war. Lord Shiva, avoiding them, transformed himself into bull in Kedarnath near Guptkashi. When the Pandavas tried to catch him, he vanished, leaving behind his hump upon which the temple was built. In 2013, Uttarakhand floods, Adi Shankaracharya Samadhi was washed away, but later restored by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2021. As per Hindu beliefs, a pilgrimage to Kedarnath can help one attain moksha. As per the legends, the Pandava builds temple at 5 places, the Panch Kedars, one of which is Kedarnath. The main priest of the Kedarnath temple is always a member of the Veershaiva Society of Karnataka, also known as Raval. He does not perform the puja ceremony independently. Instead, his assistant carries out the rituals. However, when the deity's idol is moved into Kedarnath, the main priest himself conducts the ceremony. The Kedarnath temple, standing at an impressive height of almost 3,533 meters, is the highest of all Jyotirlingas in India. Kedarnath temple is not just a religious site but also a significant part of Indian history, and it attracts thousands of devotees each year. Do you know the name of Chhota Char Dham Yatra? Let us know in the comment section. Follow NewsX for more.